the domain. So what we learned? Under root of x minus 2. It means x must be greater than or equal to 2. Similarly, under root of 1 minus x. So 1 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. We'll give you x is less than or equal to 1. So if you draw the number line, what we observe? This is including 2 greater than or equal to 2, and this I write as 2, this I write as 1. So this will be like this. So nothing is common. So nothing is common. Suppose you put x equal to 3, this becomes imaginary. If you put x is equal to 0, this will become imaginary. So therefore, answer is null set. I'll explain you once again. I'll draw the next slide to make you more explain in a proper way. So this is 1 including, and this is 2. So this gives you, this is for under root of x minus 2, and this is for under root of 1 minus x. So nothing is common in both. Nothing is common in both. So therefore, suppose I take x is equal to 10, this is real, this is imaginary. Okay, suppose I take x is equal to 0 if we take, so this becomes real and this becomes imaginary. So this is for x equal to 0. This is for x is equal to 0. This is for x is equal to 10, and this is for x is equal to 10. So therefore, null set is the answer. So even you can't draw the graph. So no values of x satisfies for this function. So domain is also null set. Obviously, range will also be null set.